Looking for a gift that inspires growth and transformation? This holiday season, give something truly meaningful. Empower yourself and others to unlock more of your full potential. I'm Daron Powers, author of the acclaimed Future Vision series. In today's fast-paced world, lasting success and fulfillment requires focus, resilience, and the right tools. My 3 transformative books provide strategies for overcoming challenges, elevating mindsets, and unlocking true potential. Rooted in positive psychology and neuroplasticity, these books offer practical steps to build confidence, turn setbacks into opportunities, and transform stress into growth. Perfect for students, working adults, retirees, anyone ready to live boldly and authentically. Available in paperback on Amazon or as an audiobook on Audible. Learn more at futurevisionpower.com.